Here we are, day 3, 4. They're all running together. So another day of looking at houses. And this could be the day where my real estate agent and I don't know. He's a nice enough guy. He's got a story for everything. Oh my gosh, does he have stories? I'm not sure how many houses we're going to get to see today, because that's the other thing, is I feel like they're just trying to find excuses not to drive to certain areas to show us houses. So we're going to look at one that we wanted to see, another one that's right by there that is kind of and then another one just came on the market today that I'm trying to get them to line up, but we'll see. I don't know how motivated they are, so we'll see. After that, the day's open, so we're thinking about just going there. We're a bunch of houses that you're like, oh, those are different MLSs, and we can't do it, and we don't want to worry about finding an agent for you. So just don't worry about those. I'm like, well, I kind of want to worry about those, so we may go look at some of them ourselves. I mean, we can't really go in the houses, but we can look at how the property lays, and if there's no one living there, we can certainly walk the property and go peek in some windows and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. But we're on our way back across the state over towards the Cookville area, and we'll see what happens through today. Tomorrow should be a good day. We got a bunch lined up tomorrow with Jessica, our agent from the Knoxville area. So her we like. She's young, she's eager, she wants to do everything she can to help us find the right house. So looking forward to tomorrow. Today we'll just kind of have to see how it plays out.
Well, you can come from your kids don't know what it is. It's called a house phone. No, it used to be when me and your dad was little, we answered the phone for our friends. It's like this. Yeah. Oh, sorry, the cord ran out. Gotta go back. We used to have phones connected to cords, you know. Yes. You could only get so far, and if your grandmother was hard of hearing, she had one that went all the way through the house. Of course, she would trip on it.
That was usually the one in the kitchen, wasn't
like
it?
This, yeah. Hold on, I gotta go to the laundry room. Yeah, just keep talking. Grandpa come through the house, trip over it, break a hip.
These are real built-in bunk beds.
Oh, kind of cool.
I feel like it's too small for a man. Or too short though for a regular mattress.
No, I think it's...
Why does it have barriers down here but not up there?
It probably does.
I don't know if I would. I don't think I would feel comfortable. No, I don't think I would. I foresee that coming down in person.
This one has a bunk in it too.
It is a cool bed, but
They really like their paneling in here.
Yeah, they do. I told you. It's not cold. It's just rainy.
You know what stops you from melting?
What?
Chocolate chip pancakes for breakfast.
Cool.
Yeah, like a compost pile. That's pretty cool.
That's a lot of compost. Why do they have burn?
Oh, they probably use that. I thought it was compost, but it looks more like a Target.
You almost. I think that there's.
All right, so house 1 today. That was actually a really cool house. Lots of animal pens, and I mean, it was set up for small animals, goats or sheep or something they had, which are kind of the things we wanted too. And a nice garden area. Don't know on that one. It's definitely still on the list. It's in consideration because it was a really cool house and property, but then those neighbors. So we're on to the next, which was one that we only threw on just because we were out this way. It was 15 minutes away from that one we looked at. Really tiny house, but a lot of acreage, just very steep and hilly, which for the views and that aspect, the aesthetics of it might be really cool. But then how do you homestead on a big old steep hill? It gets a little more difficult. So we'll see what's in store with that one.
Pink bathroom. There's a pink
You
bathroom.
got stuck in the
That
bathroom.
lock is tricky.
You got locked, stuck in the bathroom.
There are a lot of colors on the walls. Me and Earl would probably be the one. It's a nice shade of green.
They're only not very big, but the views out there, holy smokes! I know we're not. Doesn't matter, but
Where would we either build another house or put the addition on? And your pole barn.
who cares? The views are amazing.
And not to mention, I'm not sure I would want to drive up that road every day. I don't know what you're
So on that one, the views were great, but you have to follow this road to get home. And this little Nissan we rented is definitely struggling on the steepness of some of these hills. So yeah, it would be tough to do this every day. But you're on top of the mountain, the views are amazing, and with 10 acres, there's probably an acre and a half of usable land, maybe. No place really to add on to the house without difficulty, no place for a pole barn. It'd be tough to have animals there, so that one's probably not really in the consideration, but the views, really cool. And if you don't mind this road, which was fun one time,
not very
and
good
now
at
I'm
this.
glad that it's over and done with and we're back to pavement. So, but you might want to look at that one. Pretty cheap for what it is. Anyways, on to the next. Alright, well, that was the last one we're looking at with Kenneth, our realtor today. That one, yeah, great house. Needs a kitchen. It would need special financing, and I don't know. That's the type of house that everybody wants, with the big peak roof, cathedral ceilings, and all those windows, and it doesn't have the quaint country charm of, you know, a little farmhouse. A little bit of acreage with an old barn. That's what I'm after. So, I don't know. We didn't. We spent about 5 minutes in it. Like, yep, cool. You'll have no problem selling this one, and we're out. So, that's the last one he's showing us. Tomorrow we're going to meet back up with Jessica, a realtor from Knoxville, and she's going to show us a few more the rest of the day today. We're going to go grab some lunch, and then I think we might go look at some of the houses that Jessica and Kenneth both refused to show us. So, and we can, I mean, we can't go in and look at the houses, but we can at least go see how the property lays and check them out, see how they look from the outside. So, we'll go from there.